Okay, so you have a coated vehicle. How do you maintain it? What products do you want to use? What kind of shampoo do you want to use with it? Well, stay tuned, we'll go into those details next. Hi, I'm Todd Cooprider. Here at ESOTERIC, we are helping auto enthusiasts live their passion with exceptional auto preservation products and services. Speaking of preservation, let's talk a little bit about the anti-aging shampoo from Kamikaze. What was this designed for? Well, it was designed specifically for maintaining coated vehicles. And we're talking about washing a car. What better place to talk about it is outside. That's where you wash a car. So we decided to take the studio out here. We're dealing with the road noise and the birds and the dogs and everything else. So that's why we're shooting outside today. So if you have a coating on your car, you'd be mistaken if you think you're just going to apply a coating and then you don't have to worry about it for a couple of years. No, it needs to be maintained. If you're not washing it right, using the right products, using the right maintenance products on it, you're gonna run into the same issues as you would with a non-coated car, with staining and spotting and all kinds of ugly bad things that'll make you throw your money away if you're not taking care of it the right way. So this was designed by Kamikaze-Collection as a way to maintain this. And when it says anti-aging, they're talking about the coating itself. It prevents the aging of the coating, tries to prolong its effective life. We've talked about effective life in FAQ videos before, but it's not adding anything to the surface. It's not taking away anything to the surface. And that's a big mistake that a lot of people make, is they think they need to use a shampoo that's adding more protection on top of it. Well, in essence, you could potentially be taking away from protection and taking away from the durability of the coating. You want that to stay as good a shape as long as you possibly can. So this really helps round out a complete system. As you're applying your coating, whether it's a Miyabi coat or ISM coat, afterwards, you're gonna use your overcoat. This is designed as the maintenance product. When you're washing it, you're going to be washing it with your anti-aging shampoo. You stick with this system here and it's going to help that surface stay looking good for as long as possible. And don't forget our handy dandy esoteric black sponges. They're the softest things we've ever felt. We'll link you to that video as well. So remember, it is a complete system when you're talking about coated vehicles. You got your coating, you've got your maintenance sprays, and you've got your proper shampoos. So you want to learn more about the effective coating life and proper products to maintain your coating, click on the next videos coming up.